What is good, yo? Bam. So boom, I'm back with a video again. I upload 3 times a year. Get used to it. Alright, so boom. Alright, so if you follow me on Instagram and stuff like that, you know your boy got his mirror smashed. By who? I don't know. It's been like a whole month and a half since I had my mirror broken like the way it is. I'll show you in a second. I've been to New York. I've been to Philly. I've been all over with that broken mirror. Luckily, no accidents. Knock on wood. But anyway, yo, we got the box. It just came in. Ordered it yesterday. Came in today. Shout out to Car ID with a plug. It's in this box right here, right there. I'm about to show you real quick, and then we're gonna head outside to the whip. My broken whip, you know, Mk6 Jetta gang. Alright, so boom, you got the box here. Just a regular little brown box, you know. Nothing too spectacular. Comment below if you know where that came from. It came in a little bag. I don't care. As long as it ain't broken, we good. Oh, there we go. We's got it. We's back. Guess my car has the blink bullshit turn signal bullcrap on your window. Wow, I'm dumb. What do you call this? Mirror. Yeah, we got the back in action. Yo. It should be a simple install. Literally just unplug the old one and plug the new one. This port. And I think the cap is in the, there we go. Cap is right here. I don't know what color this is. Probably black. Gray. This is like almost the color of my car. This is unpainted. I don't really care. Winter mode is gonna be the ugly season for my car. So here we have it. Goes in the back of here like so. I put that on when I put the mirror in my window. I keep saying window. What the hell? Put the mirror in the door. Jesus. I'll be back. Alright, so boom. There's a couple of screws in the door. There's one behind this racy ass thing that I did, that I regret doing. There's one in here. You gotta pop this, pry this open. Unplug it right there. There's one in here. You also have to pry open a little bracket, and then there's one underneath here. You'll feel it when you get there. It's right here. Right there. I'll put the screw size in the description. I'm gonna half-ass this because I don't want to take this whole door off just to change this. So I'm gonna try to take this off and see if I can somehow pull this back enough to pry this open and unscrew the screw that goes right there and take it out. Simple. Oh, and unplug the actual mirror. Alright, so like I said, because I wasn't about to take this whole door off just to get to this section right here. Just take this screw out right there, and then just find a way to pry your door open just like that. And this one doesn't have a screw. This is also like a clip. You just pull off a certain way. This one right here, you pull off a certain way, and then there's a screw behind it. I'll show you what screw that is. Alright, so the screw here needs a T30, yeah. This one is a T30. This one is something different. Once I figure that out, I'll let you know. Alright, the screw that goes here requires a T30, and the screw that requires this screw. I don't know if you call it a screw. I don't fucking know. I'm not no mechanic. But anyway, the piece that goes here is a T40. So you're gonna need a T40 and a T30. T40 right here and T30 right there. And I wish this damn lens was so much better at autofocus. Jesus Christ. Alright, so I got the screw off. As I said, it was T40 for this one, T30. Just pry the top of the door open, and there's a clip right there. Should be pretty easy to reach, but I need 2 hands, and I gotta put this camera down. Jesus, I wish I had a filmer. Alright, so I got the mirror unclipped. It's just 2 little clips. These, fuck. Alright, so I got the clip open. It's just 2 little pricks you press. Hold on, this car going by. Kanye West flow.
Hold on, this train going by.
But yo, just 2 little things you press in like this and pull out like that, and it's easy, such as that. And this should come right out. Oh shit, I have this.
Prince the producer.
I have this weather guard blocking it. If you have a weather guard, you might have to move it. Oh, never mind. And it should come out just like that. Now it's time to replace this shit. This is before, this is after. Literally a month and a half with this broken mirror. You can barely see. Sometimes I legit stick my head out the window just to see if I could change lanes. It's sad that I didn't get this fixed quick enough, but oh well, got it done now. This is really ugly. Imagine no cars didn't have like side view mirrors. It legit would look weird as fuck. Oh, my boy coming through. Oh, you can't see it, but my boy got a clean ass Nissan. I'm not sure what year it is, one of the older ones. After you've assembled the mirror into the door, insert that thing, whatever you call it. Get your T40 and tighten it as much as you can, and then you're done. That's pretty much it. Easy install. Yeah, baby, we live. We back in action. Your boy got his mirror back. Oh, that shit clear. But you gotta adjust it because I can't see out of it. I'm looking at the wrong spots when I drive, but yeah, shit is lit. The turn signal is also working, so we lit. Alright, so that's gonna conclude today's video. I'm really bad at recording consistently. I could have made that whole tutorial a little bit better, but fuck it. It is what it is, man. I'm myself. I'm out of breath. What the? But the more and more I make videos, the more and more I'll be better at recording myself, editing, all that shenanigans that goes on with YouTube and any kind of videos, period. Because I also make music videos, if you ain't know. I'm gonna start editing this video right about now. I'll catch you guys next video, whenever that is. Shit, I don't know. I can't even tell you when the next video is gonna be. But fuck it. I'ma catch y'all later. Peace.